So next job of ours today is I'm gonna install a brand new Miele Dishwasher. Team is working right there right now, just preparing the surface there, the space, and this unit will go right there. And so we prepare everything and put it in. Should be a fairly quick job today. Okay, so the installation is almost done. I'm just gonna finalize some adjustments here for the unit. I secure it to the cabinet so it doesn't move for the client, and then just we'll do some final tests and we'll be all done. Okay, so just final steps, connecting the water right now, and then we'll be able to and ready to power up the unit and run a test, make sure there is no leaks, and then the job is complete. Okay, so the machine is installed. We already ran a test. It's been running for like 20 minutes. We checked all the lines, attached it all nicely, so this structure of this special shelf will not touch it and cause problems. So everything is checked, no leaks, no here, no there. We're just gonna set up this water hose properly so it looks nice, and we're all done here. Another successful job.